Hello and welcome to this video. On this video, we're going to be doing a review on this SmartPlug Mini 2-in-1 outlet. So the first thing we'll do is open it up and see what's inside. Inside the box, you're going to find the outlet itself and a set of instructions, but also notice on the box there's a QR code, and you're going to use that to download free software that allows you to control this outlet using things like your Alexa app if you want, and there's some other ones that we'll mention as we get further into the video. So just in a minute, we'll get started with showing you how to set up the software. The instructions come with a QR code. There's one here and one on the box. And what those do is it allows you to get some free application software so that on your Android or iPhone device, you can actually control this device remotely. So if you don't have an application to read QR codes, you can simply go to the App Store and put in QR code, and there should be some free QR code readers available. And from there, once you scan these, you'll come up with a free program or a free app that will allow you to control this device with either your Android or iPhone. But there's lots of free software programs or app programs that will allow you to control these devices. We use one called SmartLife, which you can see on my phone right now. So what I'm going to do is go into that account, and then I'm going to plug this device in the wall and we'll communicate with it. I've plugged the device into the wall, and when you first plug it in, you'll see some lights that flash. And then I went into the application that we use to control things. And you can push the plus on the right-hand side. That's going to allow you to add a new device, and it's going to scan and find the device in your house. You'll need a wireless network, by the way, to do this. And so once it finds the device, you'll be able to talk to it through this. So you can turn each of these on or off, or together, both at the same time on. And it also has energy monitoring, so it's showing you how much energy use is being used. Let's say you have a transformer or a wall wart plugged in, and you want to know how much that vampire is off your system. Well, it should be able to show you that. Or if you have a fan plugged in or something like that, it should show you the energy use. So this is what the control screen looks like. And to turn it on or off, you just simply push the particular outlet that you want. I got both of them on. That one's off. It's that easy. It's really, really simple. Now you can also tie this to your, in this case, like we have an Amazon Echo, and you can use the Amazon Echo to control the system. Or you can also use, Google makes a system, and there's several of these systems now that are like smart home systems that you can talk to, such as the Alexa, and they can control these outlets for you. So I'll demonstrate that here in just a second. Okay, I'm going to use my Amazon Echo to turn the smart plug on. So here's how I'm going to do it. Alexa, turn on the smart plug.
Okay.
Now, we also on the phone have it set up so that you can see how much energy use it's using right now. It's about 1/2 amp of current. So like 42-watt lamp. So this could be very useful if you want to chart things out and see how much power things use in your house. And it's just so easy to install and hook up. The instructions come with it. It's very cool. And you can also turn these on and off manually if you so choose. So that's another good feature. And that's all there is to this video. Thank you so much for watching.